I've been a teacher for 25 years. I always knew I wanted to make a difference. I just didn't know how. When I first learned that I was going to be teaching virtually, honestly, I was scared, but I was challenged to find better ways of teaching. What I really love about Vegas PBS is since the beginning of my career, they've always had meetings once a month where they engage parents with kids. And it's fun. They could hold the attention of children for 45 to 50 minutes. Your virtual pre-K teachers are fantastic. I had to step up my game after I saw a virtual workshop. They were quick and they were snappy. I would use those statements, those stems. It teaches them everything from social emotional, how to talk about your childhood feelings. You know, the importance of eating right, eating healthy, and dental health, and brushing your teeth. And in their language too, because we have Spanish-speaking parents.
Vayan a buscar una fruta o una verdura que enseñaron en el video.
And they have Spanish-speaking teachers that translate for them while they're teaching. And that's what Vegas PBS does for me.
Apple.
Apple.
It's an apple. And what color is your apple?
What color is it, Lexi?
It's different colors.
Yeah, because apples come in different colors.
It gives kids the opportunities to learn more and be exposed more so that maybe they, as they grow up, are changed. They can really enjoy and be engaged virtually. And I would say, how did you guys learn it? I was very impressed.
Today we're going to be making our own informational text and our own Valentine.
My biggest hope is that they're excited for school and they're excited about learning. If kids are excited about learning every year, that's what just keeps them motivated.
To learn more about Vegas PBS educational media services and virtual resources, visit vegaspbs.org/education.